You guys, Phoenix, being an athlete, this is an insane tree. Besides this tree, I'm gonna do some love for the tree. I like this tree because I've got two of his grandbabies, herd grandbabies, in my yard in the Phoenix area. So let's cut to the video and I'll show you guys the history of this avocado tree. Okay, guys, so you call me last night, so it's my gardening adventure, and it was to this place, and what the heck is this place? It's the birthplace of this avocado tree that you're attached to, and we call it the air avocado because we're American. Correct. So this avocado tree has been here probably for over a century or more. It predates the people who actually own the property and live here currently. And who knows who planted it? Right? It gets fed by the water of the creek that runs year round. And they said that in this area it hasn't really snowed heavily in a few years. It's a little warming, so it used to snow here. Right. In the wintertime, it's pretty hot. It's hot right now. It's over 100 today. Yeah. So very similar climate to Phoenix. And years ago, you can smell the air fruit or bloodwood off this tree to start the air avocado trees.
Actually, Dr. Alphonse, right? Somebody back in 08, 09 last time.
And you might put that video from his tree in his yard.
His tree.
It makes sense.
Right. And then about 5 years ago, I took bloodwood from his trees, and now we're going to Phoenix area.
So the ones in my yard are the grandbabies. Dr. Alphonse is the babies, right? And this is the mom.
Yep.
That's so cool. Let's go measure the size of the trunk and see if we can put our arms around it. There's no way I can get my arms around. We've got Shane over there, Brandon over there. Only 2.5 men's arm lengths, right? Wow. That's pretty big. Yeah, so it's made right now, but it doesn't actually have ripe fruit at the end of the summer. It's not ripe fruits, but already flowers that still baby fruits. The people who have the property currently lived here since 1956, and this tree's been around since 50 or 60 years or more before that.
You know, what's funny is maybe the naysayers are right that avocados weren't grown in Arizona. It was just here before Arizona's Arizona.
Oh.
1912.
I'm not history, but whatever country laid claim to the Arizona territory before America did, before the state, that's who actually gets claim rights to this tree.
That's a lot of people.
You know, from the owner of the property here that you take the leaf of the avocado off and break the essential oils out.
As an yeast smell.
And yeast are like you know, licorice, right? Like black licorice. And he said some of his chefing notes actually use this to accent food. Right. And that's something home and smell mine. And see, because when I noticed that through you, I learned about a lot of different varieties of avocados, both the fruits and the trees. And they're all different. You know, 50, 60 kinds of avocados or more that we have experienced together. All different leaf structure, fruit, tree shape. But when I came here, my avocado is in my yard in Phoenix area with exactly the same leaf structure as this. Yep. So it is the clone of the tree.
This type of avocado has harder, thicker leaf.
It does.
More tropical avocados.
Why do you guys Arizona?
It's acclimated to our climate, a little more cold, a little more heat. So you'll notice on the more tropical variety of avocado, California avocados, the leaves are very tender, thin.
But they're growing really well here. They're growing citrus really well. They're growing pecan really well. They're growing pomegranate really well. But their focus in this family is not necessarily to be gardeners nowadays. It seems like they mentioned to me that back in the day before 1950 something, this was a much more thriving fruit orchard, hundreds of varieties of fruit trees and citrus and things like that. So now we see some date palms, some pecans, and mature remnants of that past orchard. So you brought them to the grandbabies, right?
Replace this one as it ages out.
Yeah.
So actually, I think these are going to get planted over on the west side of the street between the avocado and pomegranate. So it's still out shade for a few years.
So you're responsible for getting these grafted. The seed grows up. You grafted the air avocado on it. And those are like 22 years old.
These are a little year old, about a year old.
So it's kind of like a homecoming. The clone babies or grandbabies coming back to them.
They just over here.
That's so cool. That's cool. I'm almost getting a little bit sentimental with that.
Zoom in.
So you glasses up. No, this is how right now. So in 2015, we had the foresight to video myself planting a small 1 foot tall 3 gallon air avocado from you. Now 2 years later, I mean, the height of the trees is beyond. It's I think beyond 12 feet tall, and probably I would say close to 9 feet wide. Yeah. And the structure was great. The leaves were fantastic. They flowered this year for the first time ever. We were discussing about it. We were saying that avocados actually work very well in Phoenix if you have a little bit of skills with good healthy soil, with a microclimate, a lot of mulch, a good water schedule, and probably shading it for the first summer or two.
You honestly don't need to have skills. You just need to follow direction.
Yeah.
78% shade cover. First of all, summer's trying to keep them off when they're young.
This is my first summer I'm not shading.
Yeah. Water and feed regularly. That's all you need.
You're not nice. I'm not even special. I'm just going to do.
That is true. I think it's
Correct. So I didn't thank you for setting up this adventure today. It's kind of like a short adventure. And thanks for coming along. I love covering you guys hanging out. It's a small group, but it was nice to actually see the mom tree before it passed away. Because I'm planting on my baby trees, they can be this size. So yeah, does the creek flow year round?
Yeah, here's never been dry. We moved here in 1956, and it's never been dry. There was a homesteader in the early part of the 20th century.
Oh.
And he homesteaded 120 acres.
Oh.
And he before my father sold them to
Did he come to country or was he from Mexico? Was he from China?
The homesteader?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Was it
No, he was this used to be a beautiful orchard. It slowly deteriorated over the years. And he planted, I don't know, 100 range grapefruit, lemons, primary citrus, and European pecans.
So some of these pecans,
That's the original tree.
Yeah, they're great.
And avocado.
Oh, the story was his kid played football with
Yes.
some kids,
Yeah.
and someone mentioned that talking about how we aren't, and then we come up with avocado fruit, like when we avocado fruit.
So
That's
they
what
fell around and, they come in.
Okay.
So what do you say to avocado trees?
It's been probably teens, 19 teens.
How do you think?
Because my brother did have to do research on this property from the first person that homesteaded and planted trees up to now, and it had to be documented that it had been an agricultural site because its water is sought after by the tribes down in the valley. The River, it's part of the River watershed.
Okay, you have your time capsule. Are the trees?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Every other year it would fruit just huge amounts of fruit.
Do you have water irrigation?
Oh, yeah, yes. There's these are pump lines.
Sure.
That we grow with a hose in there and water.
What do you like about living out here? Kind of off the grid. Is that what you call it?
I don't know, just where we grew up.
What do you think of living out here? Living in the city like Phoenix? Honestly.
Well, I'm just more comfortable in the country. I've never been completely comfortable in town. I've lived there for 4 years.
It's nice.
Yeah,
It's beautiful.
Is it snow here?
It has not since global warming took over. The most snow we ever had was about 6 inches underground.
Not here.
No, there's no underground.
And is it actually true?
It used to. We haven't been taking care of it. Some of my brothers planted it.
What if he does? What do you think?
Oh, they're really good. But you can't get one underground and it's not easy to get without feeling it.
Right.
It's better for you. I really don't know any more about it than just being there since I was a kid.
It's location. I have a lot of 40 acre property by the water. You know, I mean, the benefit of this is that you have water, you have perennial fruit, so you're gonna grow your own food. You know, when I see trees like this avocado trees that have over 100 years of history, I think about longevity. I'm really into longevity. I call my garden longevity gardens. And trees like this are time capsule. Think about the things that they have lived through and experienced over the past 100 years. I just think it's really cool that we get a chance to see a 100-year-old avocado tree that's lived through a whole bunch of Arizona that I got some bloodwood off of, and living with things like time capsule. So when you guys are planting your fruit trees in your yards, remember, if you do a good job, like what about this tree did, they will live past your lifetime, and your kids and grandkids will climb that tree and eat the fruit, and you'll be able to communicate with the future people through that tree. I love it. Mr. James O'Leary, you're here to bring this avocado tree's home, and you're bathing in the water that the tree bathes in.
Fertilizer tree.
What do you think about the air avocado tree getting watered with this water compared to like city water?
That's why it does so well.
Oh,
A lot of nutrients in water, fish emulsion, seaweed, nitrogen, all sorts of stuff I can't pronounce yourself.
Different kinds of minerals.
Yeah. So I think it's so lush green.
You guys want to do more gardening adventures like this? Whether it's in Hawaii, we talk about, Costa Rica, we talk about, maybe Thailand, we talk about. Hit the like button, comment down below. Subscribe to Shane's Green Garden. Follow us on Instagram. It's very liquid and very consistent on Instagram. Green Garden, Shane's _O'Leary _ and Jake makes Tai Chi. My Facebook page is Urban Gardening Arizona, but Jake Mason. But he's in very free on. We see you guys next time.